Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today, we've got to add some color and some life back into my face. So I am trying out the Beaute Blushed Up Blush that I have here in the shade Peachy. And this is a product that I got in my June 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag. So if you haven't seen that unbagging video yet, that is up here on YouTube. The packaging on this is so cute, such beautiful floral detail, and of course I love the pink. And the packaging on this, what is considered a sample product, I also think is really cute. Such nice detail. So this is considered a deluxe sample. The full size retails for $30. And it really is a gorgeous shade of peach. I really look for blush tones that are going to give like warmth to my skin and give more life to my skin. So I have found that more like peachy, almost a little bit more like bronzy types of blushes look the most flattering on me. So this seems very promising. So first things first, I'm going to do a swatch. Ooh, a very creamy feel, and oh my gosh, it looks very pigmented. And this is fully matte. Holy moly, that is very pigmented. I tend to go in with a heavy hand when I apply blush, but with this, I'm gonna have to try and go in with just a little bit to start because wow, that is very pigmented and very vibrant and bright. It definitely seems like it's going to give life to my skin. So knowing that this is pigmented, I'm going to be strategic in the brush that I choose. So rather than it being like a dense brush, more like densely packed, I typically go for like this brush for my blush, but it is a little bit more dense. I think I'm going to go maybe for this one. It's more loose, a little bit more surface area. So let's see how this does. This is just from LA Colors, Large Blush Brush. And so I'm going to just pick up a little bit. Just one little tap. Any excess, tap that off. And let's see how it looks. All right, it is blending nicely. But wow, you can definitely see it with just that little bit. Oh, but it is such a pretty color. See, this is where I get myself into trouble. I'm like, oh, it's so pretty, let's go in with more. But it is so pretty, let's go in with more. Just picking up once again, like a tiny bit. Like I truly could not have picked up any less on the brush. And here is where I should stop. Like that is giving a beautiful flush of color. And it really is like brightening, warms up the skin. Such a beautiful shade. You don't see any powder texture left behind. It is fully matte, which that's how my foundation is too. So it goes perfectly. I like when my blushes do have a little glow to them just because I love like glowy, shiny skin. But I could just go, of course, with a blush topper or a highlighter on top of this to give me that because I am very happy with this shade. I think it is so flattering. It definitely gives a sun-kissed look, like a brightness to the face. It's not giving like how I would describe it as like my rosacea redness peeking through or anything like that. Like it really does look like sun-kissed radiance. Go ahead and apply it to the other cheek. This brush is really perfect for it. Blends out very easily. And I think two of the lightest little bit into the blush is all I need for that perfect amount of flush of color. Oh, I just love how it blends out so easily and the shade is so pretty. Oh, it truly gives life to the skin. And it looks very smooth, just like so easy to blend out. I love it. I love my finished like complexion right now with the flush of color in my cheeks. It just looks so perfect. I shouldn't touch it anymore. I shouldn't add any more to it because this is beautiful. I love it. So this deluxe sample size is like the perfect amount. This is going to be able to last me so long, and just all year long I'll be able to have that like summer sun-kissed warmed up skin. That is my favorite look. So if you've tried this out, let me know how it works for you in the comments down below. And if you've tried it out in any of the other shades, let me know what you think of those. But gosh, this peachy shade, I feel like I got so lucky because with these beauty subscriptions, you don't always get to choose the shade for you, and this really is like a perfect shade for me. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.